How to use phone as remote on your Fire TV sticks. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to use phone as a remote on your Fire TV sticks. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, launch the Fire TV Stick remote app onto your mobile device. Tap on the sign in button, enter in the credential, and then log into your account. After you're logged in, what next you want to do is you simply want to select your Fire TV stick or any other Fire TV device you own. And once you've actually done it so, you want to then go ahead and turn on your television and switch to input associate with the Fire TV stick or whichever Fire TV device you're trying to control. Look for a Fire TV stick remote app connect request code. Now then you want to go ahead and enter in the code, and this app will connect to your Fire TV stick or other Fire TV device, your device or mobile device as a remote. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.